Life is not just staying in our comfort zone. There is a beautiful world outside. Step out from your comfort zone, travel the world, and enjoy every moment of your journey. Every place teaches us unique lessons, creating everlasting memories because nature is our beautiful university. I tried capturing blissful moments which I experienced. Hope you all like it. This is just a glimpse of my recent travel to Uttar Karnataka. Check out my channel to watch full videos. If you like the video, do subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you.